Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the categories of networks. So let's look at the agenda. We will be learning about area networks. Among the area networks, we will be learning about personal area network or PAN, then local area network or LAN, metropolitan area network or MAN, wide area network or WAN, and comparison of area networks. What are area networks? Area networks are networks which are categorized based on the area of coverage. There are four broad categories of area networks like personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Let us understand what personal area network is all about. It is also called PAN. This personal area network works within a distance of 1 meter. And with the help of personal area network, we can connect laptops, printers, fax machines, or computers within a distance of 1 meter. So this is an example of PAN. So we have here two PANs. One is PAN 1, another one is PAN 2. So PAN 1, we can see here there are various network devices, let's say N1, N2, N3, N4, and N5. These are connected to each other. Of course, in this picture, it is shown that it is connected in the form of the star connection, and all these nodes are connected to each other within a distance of 1 meter. Similarly, we can have another PAN 2 here. So these two are different PANs. Next, we go to local area network. Local area network works in a room or at the most within a building. So it has a small geographical area, but the geographical area is larger than that of a PAN or personal area network. This is an example of LAN. Let's say we have room 1 and another one, room 2. So LAN 1 basically will be the computers which are connected to one another in LAN 1. Now these computers can be connected in various network topologies, like they can be connected in mesh topology or ring topology, bus topology, line topology, star, or even hybrid topology. But they communicate with each other in a single LAN, in a single room. So this is called a local area network. Similarly, we can have another LAN 2 in another room, or we can have LANs within buildings or in a college campus. So we can understand that the geographical area of local area network is larger than that of a LAN. Next, we come to metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network spans within a city. So its geographical area is higher than that of LAN and PAN. This is an example of a metropolitan area network. We can see here we have a LAN 1 in city 1 and we have a LAN 2 in city 2. These two LANs in two different cities can be connected by using a metropolitan area network. Next, we go to wide area network or WAN. This is a network which can cover different countries or continents. So we can see that this covers a wider geographical area as compared to PAN, LAN, and MAN as discussed earlier. This is an example of a typical wide area network. We can see here we have a country 1 and country 2. And within the country, we can have city 1, city 2, which may be interconnected by using MAN. These two cities can be interconnected by using MANs. And there is another city 3 in country 2. So in order to connect, let's say we have a computer A here and we have another computer B here. In order to connect these two, we have to connect the two computers via the WAN, because it will cover a wider geographical area, as computer A is in city 3 in country 2 and computer B is in city 1 in country 1. So WAN is the wide area network that can be used to connect two different computers in two different countries. Let us now have a comparative analysis of the various area networks that we have studied. So, let us understand them one by one. There are various parameters which we will be considering. We will consider speed, we will consider maintenance and congestion, ownership, standards, range, fault tolerance, and delay. Let's understand them one by one. Considering speed, we can see that PAN has the highest speed. LAN has high speed, but it is less as compared to PAN. On the other hand, speed of MAN is low and WAN has lowest among all the networks. Regarding maintenance and congestion, PAN has very less maintenance and congestion. LAN has less maintenance and congestion. It is higher than that of PAN. MAN's maintenance and congestion is high and WAN's maintenance and congestion is highest among all the area networks. Ownership of PAN is always private. Ownership of LAN is also private. Ownership of MAN can be private or it can be public. But considering WAN, it can have multiple organizations, so it is not totally private, but it spans across multiple organizations. Now let us see what are the standards that are used for different area networks. For PAN, we can have for wired, we can have USB, IEEE 1394, Thunderbolt. And for wireless type of PAN, which we call WPAN, we can use Bluetooth and IRDA. The standard of LAN is IEEE 802.11. It can use Ethernet, token ring and wireless LAN as well. For MAN, the standard is IEEE 802.16 and it can use a standard WiMAX. For WAN, the standards used are X.21 and X.25. As we have studied, the range of PAN is very less, of the order of 1 meter. The range of LAN is few meters, or it spans across buildings. For MAN, the range is city and WAN spans across multiple countries. The fault tolerance of PAN is the highest. LAN is high, but it is lower than that of PAN. For MAN, it is low, and for WAN, it is the lowest of all the area networks. Delay for PAN is very less. So, you can see here the speed of PAN is highest. Delay for LAN is less, so its speed is high. Delay for MAN is high, so its speed is low. And delay for WAN is very high, so it has the lowest speed among all the area networks. To summarize, here we have studied about the various area networks. We have studied about PAN, we have studied about LAN, then MAN and WAN. And also, we studied the performance analysis of these broad categories of area networks with respect to various parameters like congestion control, maintenance, then speed, delay, ownership, and standards. Thank you.